Mobile phone has two speaker, one loudspeaker, one conversation speaker. So what happened? This speaker is not working and it's playing from here. I mean conversation speaker. So how can we solve it? What we have to do, from the recent app menu, we have to close Facebook Messenger. And it is always better to close all the app like this. Different way you can also forcefully close all the app. Now let's play YouTube. Let's see what happened. Now it's working. I muted that sound because of the YouTube copyright. This speaker sound problem is happening because of Facebook Messengers. If you close your Facebook Messenger and play, it will work.